Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody's 4th of July went well. So guys, I got some August Ipsy spoilers. Now this is for the GlamBag Plus box, so this is the upgraded box. So first we have the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Then next we have the Smith & Colt nail lacquer in Pillow Pie, which is such a cute name. And then last but certainly not least is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Now guys, as soon as they come out with any more sneak peeks or spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.